Every masterpiece begins with the raw essence of purity, where we start with high-grade aerospace grade T6 061 aluminum, known for its incredible strength and exceptional density. In this sanctuary of modern engineering, silence reigns supreme as we prepare the foundational blocks for a keyboard that transcends ordinary typing experiences and enters the realm. The journey starts with precision automation, as a robotic arm expertly handles the massive aluminum slab, placing it into the heart of the manufacturing center with absolute care. Every movement is deliberate and calculated, ensuring that the material is perfectly positioned for the complex machining process that will soon transform this raw metal into art. High-precision laser sensors scan the surface, mapping out every micron to define the starting point and ensuring that the digital blueprint aligns perfectly with the physical world. This calibration phase is critical, where even the smallest deviation is corrected before the first cut is made, maintaining a standard of excellence that defines the high end. Data flows through the system, translating complex mathematical equations into physical movements that will soon carve out the intricate features of our custom mechanical keyboard housing. With the coordinates locked in and the material secured, the stage is set for the dance of steel and aluminum to begin in the high-power milling chamber. The silence is broken by the roar of a diamond bit spinning at 20,000 revolutions per minute, biting into the metal to begin the shaping process. Silver shavings spiral away in a satisfying display of raw power and precision as the machine strips away the excess to reveal the hidden form within the block. A fine mist of coolant keeps the temperature stable, protecting the integrity of the aluminum and the sharpness of the diamond tool throughout the intense carving stage. This atmospheric cooling ensures that every cut is clean and every edge is perfect, preventing any heat-related warping during the hours of high-intensity machining required for perfection. Watch the 5-axis head as it performs a mechanical ballet, rotating and tilting to reach angles that traditional machines could never hope to achieve with such accuracy. From this perspective, the complexity of the design becomes apparent, with the machine carving out internal cavities for sound dampening and specialized mounting points for the plate. Each switch hole is milled with a tolerance of just 5 microns, at ensuring that every mechanical component will fit with a satisfying and secure snap later on. The cutter follows the elegant curves of the exterior, blending industrial strength with aesthetic grace, turning a heavy metal block into a sleek and modern piece of hardware. Even the smallest features, like the internal channels for the USB port, receive the same level of attention and precision as the main body of the keyboard itself. A specialized finishing tool creates the signature chamfered edges, a beveled border that catches the light and emphasizes the sharp, clean lines of the high-end aluminum case. The mirror-like finish on these edges is achieved through high-speed polishing directly within the CNC process, reducing the need for manual post-processing and ensuring absolute uniformity. As the cycle concludes, the mist clears to reveal a perfectly formed keyboard case, born from a single block of metal and shaped by the highest technology available. Our technicians inspect the work, verifying that every line and every curve meets our rigorous standards for quality and precision before moving to the next stage. Even at this stage, the raw beauty of the machined aluminum is breathtaking, showing the rhythmic signature of the tools that brought this complex design into reality. With the machining complete, the case moves forward to the surface treatment phase, where it will be refined even further to provide a premium tactile experience. The process of sandblasting begins, where millions of microscopic ceramic beads strike the surface to create a uniform matte texture that feels as smooth as fine silk. You can see the metal transform instantly, losing its harsh reflections and gaining a sophisticated, soft touch finish that is resistant to fingerprints and wear over time. In the clean room, the cases are mounted on specialized conductive racks, prepared for the electrical and chemical journey that will define their final color and durability. Anodizing is an electrochemical process that thickens the natural oxide layer on the aluminum, creating a surface that is nearly as hard as diamond and incredibly durable. The reaction is mesmerizing as electricity passes through the liquid, opening the pores of the metal to accept the deep, rich pigments that will follow. Next, the cases are submerged in a dye bath, where the color molecules penetrate the surface, becoming a permanent part of the metal rather than just a layer. The result is a military-grade finish with a depth of color that is impossible to achieve with paint, ensuring your keyboard looks new for decades to come. A final rinse removes any residue, leaving behind a pristine colored surface that is ready for the final sealing stage to lock in the beauty and protection. Under the light, the uniformity of the finish is revealed, showcasing a level of quality control that leaves no room for even the smallest imperfection or streak. With the surface treatment complete, the case is thoroughly dried and cleaned, ready to move to the advanced robotic assembly line for the mechanical components. The assembly phase begins with the heart of the typing experience, the switches. A high-precision robot applies lubricant with milligram-level accuracy to every single moving part. This precise lubrication ensures that every key press is smooth and silent, eliminating any friction or scratchiness that could detract from the premium feel of the board. The pick-and-place system takes over, rapidly and accurately seating the lubricated switches into the high-quality printed circuit board with perfect alignment and zero room for error. Each switch clicks into place, secured by the precision milled plate we saw earlier, creating a rigid and stable assembly that will form the backbone of the keyboard. Robotic soldering ensures perfect electrical connections for every key, using the exact amount of solder required for a durable joint that will last for millions of actuations. The uniformity of these joints is a testament to the automation process, providing a level of reliability and consistency that manual soldering simply cannot match at this scale. The internal assembly is finally united with its aluminum home, fitting perfectly into the hocks and channels carved out during the 5-axis milling stage. An electronic screwdriver applies the exact torque required for every screw, ensuring that the assembly is perfectly balanced and that no stress is applied to the metal. Silicone dampeners are added to tune the acoustic profile, isolating the vibrations and ensuring that the only sound produced is the pure deep note of the switches. Delicate ribbon cables are connected by robot hands, linking the brains of the keyboard to the external ports and the vibrant light-emitting diodes that will soon glow. The top frame is lowered, completing the structure. This sandwich design provides the weight and stability that enthusiasts crave, making the keyboard feel like a solid ingot. With the final screws in place, the assembly is complete. What was once a block of raw aluminum is now a sophisticated tool for digital creation. Now, the finished product enters the anechoic chamber for acoustic validation, where we ensure the sound signature meets our high-end THOC standards of excellence. A mechanical finger simulates natural typing, while sensitive microphones capture every detail of the sound, looking for any resonance or unwanted noise in the assembly. The sound waves are analyzed in real time, providing a visual confirmation of the acoustic tuning that makes our keyboards famous among mechanical keyboard enthusiasts worldwide. Simultaneously, a 3D laser scanner captures the physical dimensions of the final product, comparing them to the original CAD files to ensure 0% error in production. The screen turns green, confirming that the physical object is a perfect replica of the digital vision, meeting tolerances that are usually reserved for the aerospace industry. A final human touch provides the ultimate quality check, confirming that the texture of the aluminum and the feel of the keys are exactly as they should be. As the power is connected, the RGB lighting comes to life, flowing across the keyboard like liquid light. They're highlighting the precision of the assembly and the design. The internal reflections create a sophisticated glow that is subtle yet powerful, emphasizing the premium nature of the materials and the care taken in every single step. The final cleaning ensures the product is in showroom condition, ready to be boxed and sent to a user who appreciates the pinnacle of mechanical engineering. Resting on a walnut desk, the keyboard stands as a testament to what is possible when advanced technology meets the passion for craft and the pursuit of perfection. Every angle reveals a new detail, from the sharp, light-catching bevels to the deep, consistent color that only military-grade anodizing can provide on such high-quality material. The feeling is unmistakable. It is the solid, weighted feedback of precision engineering, providing a typing experience that is as satisfying to hear as it is to feel. This is more than just a keyboard. It is a piece of industrial art, a tool designed for those who demand the absolute best in both form and function. In the darkness, it becomes a beacon of creativity, a high-end interface that bridges the gap between the human mind and the digital world with unparalleled elegance, precision engineering, artistic design, the pinnacle of the mechanical keyboard experience, born from aluminum, crafted for you. Thank you for watching our journey today.